I'm about to eat 18 chocolate bars by Mr. Beast and see if I become a millionaire. Probably not in one sitting, but I'm still gonna try it, and I'm still gonna eat all these chocolate bars by myself because no one in my house is gonna eat these chocolate bars. And then I'm gonna still see if I win $1 million, even though I probably won't. Go away, words. No, seriously. Seriously, go away. Go away! Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews, of course a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Today I have a video about Mr. Beast. He just released a chocolate bar and I'm going to talk about that real quick. How does the chocolate taste? The chocolate tastes... Now me and my kids watch Mr. Beast religiously and I am subscribed, Jimmy, if you're wondering. Call me. He's just released chocolate bars in kind of a Willy Wonka style release there. The chocolate taste, and each one has a chance to win prizes. There's a little peel off thing on the back here. I took this one off, but you can go and peel off a little code. You put it online to see if you won. And just so you know, I didn't really win much of anything. I want a discount from Beast Burger and a discount for more future chocolates. I don't know if I'm going to buy more chocolates right now. Now I've already eaten most of the chocolates here, but let's go ahead and get into it. Now, first of all, there are 3 candy bars that he has. He has the original taste. He has the quinoa crunch chocolate, and then the almond chocolate. All of these have just a few ingredients, and I believe they're supposed to be organic, if I'm not mistaken, but they're supposed to be very high quality chocolates. Now, first of all, I love the looks. They nailed the Mr. Beast look. All of these look like the Mr. Beast channel. They have really bright colors. I love that there's a peel off sticker on there and you can go and win prizes. I love that. I think all that is really good. How does the chocolate taste? The chocolate tastes pretty good, actually. It tastes really good. If you like dark chocolate. That is one main criticism I have here. All of the chocolates here are all dark chocolate. So you really have to like dark chocolate. I'm really surprised that they don't offer an original being milk chocolate. There should have been some kind of milk chocolate variety here. Now that said, I like dark chocolate. So these are all going to me in my stomach. The original chocolate, as you can see whenever you open this up, even the chocolate itself is kind of molded in this really cool pattern where you have a share size and then you can eat the rest yourself. I think that's all really cool. The chocolate itself looks good. It tastes great. It is very dark and rich. I like the dark chocolate a lot. I think that's really good. The quinoa is also very good. I thought this was an interesting choice to put quinoa in here. I don't know if quinoa is normally in like the crunch style chocolates, so I'm not really sure why quinoa over puffed rice. This one is also really good. I thought that the quinoa adds that kind of crunchy texture. It also kind of slightly changes the flavor a little bit. It's a subtle change, but I like what they did here. I think that it's really good. Everything else is the same on the inside. The almond bar was also really good. I love almonds and chocolate together. My one criticism about the almond bar is that the almonds were not big at all, and there weren't very numerous in here either. It just seemed like there was not much almonds in here to start with. So that's unfortunate. I think that was kind of a misstep here with Mr. Beast, besides not having milk chocolate.
Jimmy, put some milk chocolate in here.
Now, the price on this was actually pretty good. The one thing that I will say is that you can't really just buy one bar. You can't really buy this in the store. You have to buy this online. I'm sure that Mr. Beast and his companies are trying to make this as economical as possible and viable for them, as well as something that is worth buying for us. So I think having it where you buy it online is really the only way that you can do that. What I like about this online is that when you buy this online, there are no shipping charges and no even tax. They take that right out. So they just assume that into the total price. I think that's really great. I think you have to buy this in a 10-pack of one variety, either regular quinoa or almonds, or you have to buy an 18-pack or even higher pack. The point is you have to buy in bulk for any of these here. And I think that's fine, but you have to kind of pay up front for the price. But the price per bar is actually pretty good. I was expecting these to be really expensive because there is a giveaway involved and because it's kind of a niche style chocolate. I was expecting these to be maybe $3 or $4 a bar maybe, but they weren't. They're maybe $2, maybe $2 and change, which I think is pretty competitive for kind of a higher quality chocolate. Now, granted, there are cheaper chocolates out there, and granted, there's probably better chocolates out there as well. But I think that if you're looking at buying Mr. Beast, I think that these are really good for what you get. I think they are good chocolate. Kudos to them for making actually good quality chocolate. It's made of good ingredients and it is a fair price. You have to buy a lot of chocolate bars, but if you're okay with buying a lot, then you'll be fine. And on top of that, buying a lot gets you a lot of entries into their giveaway. So yeah, definitely go check that out. All in all, I think this is a great product from Mr. Beast. I'm excited to see that they're doing this, and I would like to see what else they're going to do in the future with maybe candy or this Willy Wonka style of candy product. I'd like to see where they go with that in the future. Definitely worth it. Go check the link down below to get your Mr. Beast chocolate. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews. Bye.